How to send disappearing photos on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send a photo that disappears after one view on Facebook Messenger. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you can just open the chat of the person that you want to send a photo to. And now here, once you are inside the chat, what you can do is you can just tap on the camera icon, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the camera section, you can just tap on the camera shutter button to take a photo that you want to send. And now here, once you have taken the photo, at the bottom left side of the photo, there you will see the icon with the one on it. So there you can just tap on it, and once you tap on it, you will enable the view once option. So here, once you have enabled it, you can just tap on send, and this will turn your photo into a disappearing mode. And with this, if you send it to the person, then that person will only be able to view it once. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.